with this experience, the writing skills, abilities, you all will be coming to that level. So you need to understand in your courses, your emotions to your heart. These things are when you are reporting, writing, even to that is this one. And respect authenticity, as I did a little while ago, the previous slide I said, we need to respect that also. I think this academia is led to that. There may be referencing of the Harvard or the Chicago, AFP or something, many things. That is called something that we need to respect the person who really originate these things. Rule and legal terms, controversial and viral. You know, if you say that, if you say few one word, sometimes it will be viral. This is how today market. When the viral comes, it will be keep on adding. You must be seen in the Facebook and even in the WhatsApp, the messages are coming. Even I saw yesterday, 1956 and today, change of the dresses, change of the habits, similar like. But I don't want to take that into this one. Particularly, ladies and gentlemen, as I said, this is very important. When you're transmitting that, should be very rational. And why I say, sometimes it not be happening the way, the expected way. Sometimes being influenced by your professions, sometimes alliance, sometimes affiliations, sometimes some connections. This is very difficult when you say something to come into the straight line and to decide which side to go and this way. So this is also one. Accountability to readers and writers. This is also very important. Let's see, ladies and gentlemen, in our days, there was a call the traditional, in that course we call the media, but with the latest trends, it is differently coming now. There are new media. Earlier it was a television, the broadcasting and print, radio, music and movies. 1960s, 70s, even 1990, I believe so. The traditional media was so much important. When the computer introduced, when the mobile phones came, I think 95, 92 to Sri Lanka. Because my phone also I bought in 1996. So last 25 years or so I'm using the phone. So we were just changing the phone repeatedly. It was only earlier something, Taylor something like text message is going. Then it is a fashion to have a little gadol bag. I don't know whether you must have not seen, maybe in the something, in a museum or something. These are the things. The newspapers still have some value and they are still carry on, but very competitive. The magazines, books, and signboards and billboards, these are something that is being very much popular, even right now, street and things giving the traditional media one. But today, the trend is differently to understand. That is called the websites. Anybody know the Alexia? Websites ratings? When you have a time, write down the Alexia rating. You see how the KDU website is rating is being like that. Because when I was a dean, I have been tasked by the vice chancellor, the Webometrics. I think you know the Webometrics level? You all have social media, the faculty is in task that time. You all are being grooming for the media, Webometrics. Why I say that the Webometrics, this is being developed one by the other agencies, maybe privately, but people, they carry the message of your good branding of your university. The branding must be important to you to have your to have yourself to recognize. I believe that's why you all are carrying previous undergraduates branding to date for your whatever your successes. The previous, those who did well, matters for your successes. Similarly, you have a noble duty to do well for the future generation to join this organization and to spill over their abilities in future time to come. With the websites, apps, email, podcasts, smartphones, many things that you can say, even the blogs. I think sometimes you may be able to write the faculty onto these things on this case. So to know these things is important. Now let's see the media theories. I took only 3 media theories for you to understand, to be a responsible person on the media way. It is the receptive theory. That is when nationwide audience is there for the TV or something to radio. When say something, they believe, right, this is right now. This says like this. Particularly some food, some advertisements. You are being influenced to buy something, particularly ladies, for your cosmetics, something creams or fairness creams and things. You feel like, this girl is like that, so why not for me? Gentlemen, you for your slim body t-shirts or something for the shirts or trousers or shoes or the wristwatches, similar that. People, okay, I should be like that. And you are being influenced. This is what this reception theory, you will be, once you saw that, okay, I should say. That's why I said, as a person in the subjectively today, you need to understand between, to take the subject in that way. So, ladies and gentlemen, affect theory. What is it then? Communication make people powerless to resist messages in media carries, particularly on the Facebook. Sometimes the people who can write, who can disseminate the message, okay, is that the way? Okay, I have to believe. He's such a gentleman, he's such a lady. Okay, if she's so, okay, that carries. It can tarnish to the great extent. So therefore, that's why I said the responsible media matters in this timeline on these issues. Okay, these can be issued. And the uses of gratification is a U and G. Another theory is called U and G. There is particularly what audience do with the media. The users or the media use the text to satisfy certain needs based on Maslow's hierarchical theory. Some things, shampoos, some soaps and things, you need, you will feel to buy. Why? To have a good body, to be a pretty face, and to have a fashionable clothes. This is something, okay, I need to go with this. I need to have a fashionable thing. This is how you feel like. So, ladies and gentlemen, to have this one, I said the reception theory and the effect theory and use and gratification. These are the media theories. And lots of theories are there, but for the time being, to understand the subject proper, you can carry with this at the time being, okay? You must be knowing this, what is the Maslow's hierarchical theory and this. Gentlemen, this is what the media plays. Significant role in keeping everyone updated about various events around the world. Maybe a breaking news, trends are to that, the breaking news trends. And next is pointer. These are the, sorry, pointer is not working, I believe, so the screen, isn't it? Okay, we'll go. So, ladies and gentlemen, media is the best medium for communication for mass audience. So therefore, even right now, what I'm doing the same subject, believing that why this introduction to y'all about my career and my previous way, to give you an idea, to identify this person is that. Otherwise, you will feel monotonous after a heavy lunch at the lakeside and feeling like, what is this I do in this way? The bus time is right now and we need to go home and early to go and this and that. Otherwise, I don't know, nobody is sleeping. I don't know why. It's maybe because of the image or I don't know. Thank God you all are still waking up, except one or two. Anyway, maybe the inquisitiveness is being developed by so far. Maybe interest or my audible voice may be to great extent. So this is important of media. Immense knowledge to transmit both information. Ladies and gentlemen, if, as I said at the beginning, your passion, your beliefs can be taken with this one. Only thing you need to be set yourself to achieve what you want. If I say something, it's very personal. I think we'll see after the question and session. Many things what you believe can achieve. This is what. There are ways of things differently. We'll see how we talk at the leisure time if we have a time. Voices against the issues of societies. Right now, the environmental issues coming on a different area. People are voicing that way. That is also media. It's giving a pivotal role, pivotal message. Even for recruitment at the time of when we had an issue of the country, suffering from the terrorism, brutal terrorism of our country, that is also we suffered as a nation. Luckily, with all the good things, we did the best. And the secondly, educate the society. UNDP, with the gratitude to the UNDP, what they do, what they are doing right now, educating young generation like you. Once you all learn something, you will be the carrier message there, and you will be adapted, you will adjusted to that level of thinking because of the moral values. Your education level, your receptive level is very high. They believe that you will be a pivotal person to take the message among your society. Because one individual is another person to connect with the parents, friends, and so on differently. So therefore, this will be a guide because of the KDU. I know as a former dean, your employability to the KDU students is a very much high, particularly the day scholars. I haven't seen anybody is unemployed unless like girls after marriage or something, then otherwise. Otherwise, most of the young graduates are employed just because you are transformed from a normal person to the accepted, demanded, valued person. So therefore, these things should and will be enhanced for your personality by doing these things. So therefore, take these things for your betterment. Okay. There are certain things when I went through the principles and all media messages are constructed. Somebody is behind the scene. Somebody write and disseminate to get you. This is one thing you need to understand. Media messages are constructed using creative language with its own rules. These days, some words are very popular among y'all. Maybe fashionable way of, maybe a very attractive, very pretty girl coming, very handsome man coming and say something, okay, with a way of say, things will be believed. Different people experience the same media message differently. This is the biggest way. You can give the same message to same people. Why? We need to understand in a different way. The Colombo or the urban people will receive it differently and the outside will have it differently. Sometimes there's no message to them. They are different requirements. They are not depending on something. So therefore, the media also, message also different. Most media organized to gain, you need to understand behind the scene, it's a business, marketing. Marketing is there in this media business as well. The person who's working for a professional, he is living with that, but this is also another profession, respectable profession, but it will be run as a business, profit. When you make it a profit, it should be fashionable, attractive, this incoming. This you need to understand before being influenced in future after this lecture or afterwards in your lifetime when you take decisions. Oh, whether is it true? Am I to be influenced? Am I to be sure? Am I to be spent? The trademark of you today, youngsters, you need to go, you all are going with the branded. Am I correct? You like to go for the branded shoes, clothes. Am I correct? With a, huh? Huh? I know that. You all are spending by taking the emotions with a very attractive or maybe a girl to the y'all with a something, that's fine. You need to understand that, okay? Function of media to need understand that. Information, education, entertainment, persuasion. What do you mean by? They will pursue you too until you reach. This is how these companies are running. They will pursue you until the objective comes. That's why the repetition comes. During, particularly on the news time, you see how many times the same message comes. These days, I don't want to take the name, otherwise it may not good. But if you say all these news time or the lines, it's repeatedly coming. And persuasion to believe these are they are telling the truth. Maybe telling truth. At the receptor, you need to understand whether it's surely, am I to get influence? Am I to do this? And the interpretation according to your knowledge and information. The way you have taken the subject, your proper knowledge, theoretical aspect, as I said a little while ago, the global picture, regional picture, country picture, and even the segments of your living area, so influencing your decisions, your way of living, even to your branded, your schools, your society. Therefore, interpretation and linkage. Sometimes you are being influenced to take into your parents by paying much when the painkiller or something coming with a oil or something. Okay, I have to give this time to mom. We're having how much? 6,000. Okay, I must buy for that. This is how the siphoning the money into that way. This is also you need to understand. I'm not here to destroy the media marketing strategies, but my responsibility to give you the undergraduate to understand the subject proper, because it's values for you to behave yourself, how to get it in the way. Okay? Okay, socialization is understood. Ladies and gentlemen, I said a little while ago, we are the 21st century, the second decade. In that case, advancement of technology is being to the highest level. If you say the outer space, the chunk of many satellites and things, even the surface with plastic and things, even in Colombo, even how many mobile phones today in the country, even in home. Right now I'm using 3 phones as an individual, because I need to, because of the connectivity, feel that some friends may not be able to contact me in this number, so I'm also influenced by this. But the majority of our Sri Lankans are utilizing mobile phones too. Am I correct, Dr. Lakshmi? More than the population. It's a good thing to understand. Therefore, these are the things. The fact seems like our entire life revolves around our phones. Earlier, we used to have leisure times. Even right now, I'm also influenced to this one, because we are inquisitive as humans. We are connected by nature. So we would like to have a connect. Sometimes we forget our family and connect with other rather than this, because of maybe our workforce, workaholic attitude, maybe to other extents. However, we are connected with the phones or networks. The people cannot live without phone today. It is so much of it's internally your body part right now. I believe so. You can't forget, even everybody today, even the young, small kids, they are having Zoom meetings prior to their school starts. It's happening to my daughter. I saw little girl. She's conducting as a rapporteur. So school classmates conducting how to build a classroom, maintaining classroom. Small girl, just 13. So just imagine us. Sometimes this is how. This is what you need to understand. Global social media rate 2021 53%, and Sri Lanka is about 30%. It's ever rapidly increasing. I believe with the COVID situation, this may be double or triple. Even the old people utilizing the same mobile phones to a great extent. Classic example, even my mother. She also the same. This is how, ladies and gentlemen, the social media index, as I said, the global social media index is similar to. It's about approximately 4.2 billion, not millions. Out of it, 53% of 6 utilize this. In fact, when I'm talking to you, I saw my mobile WhatsApp about 56 or 64 gigabyte things in my phone. Because I used to be a military spokesman, still I am getting enough valid or invalid things are into my phone. similar to you. This is how things are going. This is need to understand. Even though I say something, even though I say as a presenter, it is up to you to see things rationally, to understand this. Okay? Negative impacts of the media in the 21st century. Cyberbullying. Sometimes you feel some kids, some parents are separating. Even recently I saw one child of a school boy left his parents and I don't know whether he's been found or not, I don't know. This is what anxiety, depression, these things are there. Loneliness are being left out right now. You can even talk. There's something in the phone, I think the Google, even if the lone person can engage, talk with something. Artificial intelligence is in right now for replacement of human being. They do everything. I heard something, I can't remember the exact name. There was another AI person, even in the phone like Siri. Even the Siri, it still comes in that way. And give what is the temperature, what is the time right now, they will guide us. You must be knowing these things. There is so much influence into us. So feel that differently. Sense of happiness and well-being. Sometimes when a message comes earlier, for in our days when I joined the army, we are waited to many times to receive a letter from mom. Today it's a text. Earlier I used to, and I think Dr. Ashika maybe agree with me, we like the salutation, Adarniya Amma Ona. Now my son can only text, context. I need this. That's enough. I need to understand the son is sending to me. What the hell I just? Why can't you have at least, so Apache was, why? No, it's you know, Apache, I know, that's why I'm sending you. That is also funny. This is similar. I believe you all also same. Those days, mom, Amma, take me, especially the girls may be asking, Amma, the kids, the son may be asking, since you all are cadets, you must be getting some salary. It may be not, I don't know whether it's, I think you are getting handsome salary right now. When I was joined, it's about 800 rupees, 1989, my salary. And the second term, it went to 1,200. It was in 1990, 89, January, February. It was my first salary. So this is how today different. Social media trends in 2021. We'll see how the trends are moving in the way. 55 and plus are turning digital right now. That's why I said, I quote my mom. She used to sometimes, she also sends, I asked, Mama, what are you sending? No, ataveduna ekakkawa mandanna mukadda. She saw something. So sometimes she automatically having groups. My little one asked, Atamma, what is this group? Danne puta me vedila gihilla group eka. So, and she is having a followers also. This is how really something that it will the video coming, it's group and send it to somewhere. Now she is having some about 7-8 followers. This is how grandmom will become a celebrity right now. Okay, this is how. Okay, you need to understand. TikTok. Even this is how I believe everybody may be actors today. This is how some countries are banning this subject actively. It can influence. Ladies and gentlemen, since within the corners, sometimes detriment to national security, sometimes these TikTok also, the social media apps. Some countries are tabooing, restricting, but youngsters like you all, improving your fashions, you improving your activities, and I think the youngsters like you, maybe to be a YouTube star, in the right corner of your mind, maybe to be this way, to be a lecturer, and to talk something way, maybe to give a food or something, process or something differently. But TikTok crisis is happening even right now, okay? Social commerce, right now, what? Daras, Alibaba, and these things, Amazon. In fact, sometimes cyberbullying happened to me also. I asked I was interested to have a small laptop from this Alibaba. I said that. Okay, I said it's okay because Alibaba comes on to Facebook, no? So I paid $50. Actually, I got a small radio instead of that. This is cyberbullying. To whom do I complain? They says, okay, the things are coming on the way, posted, and the numbers is this. I was wondering, it's good to have a small laptop with me. This something it's okay to can carry. It's not even a way to maintain the Microsoft thing. This is also happen. Be careful on the social commerce. It's rightly, very rapidly is happening. Even you don't want to. Everything is happening right now. You don't want to go anywhere. This is something the commerce is happening. That means what? What? Either you acclimatize to this one, find the system, otherwise you all will be unemployed. Understood? In time to come, I know a little to my relative, he's having about 7-8 masters. But very difficult to find a job today. This is how. You should know the subject. That's why this Microsoft and other companies, certificate levels, when they transform the technology, they give a certificate. Okay, it's called the digital or micro degrees coming up. You know that one? Micro degrees are coming. Being specialized is something into that area. This is what you need to understand. I think I have only 1.5 hours, no? Okay. Thank you. This is social media. Video still growing. Even soon, that's why I said my little daughter was a rapporteur on connecting her classmates and talking together and giving disseminating part. And right now, I believe this is online. I don't know whether it is on. If it is so, this is also video still roaming. Okay. Virtual reality. You can go to any other place, but you don't want to spend. Only you need to buy something and you just go. Have you been to anybody that Universal Studios experienced? Anybody with this 3D, 4D experience? As I said at the beginning of the story, I said I'm a storyteller to the beginning. Actually, I had an opportunity when I was studying, I was at a scholarship in Korea. I went with my family and we went to this Harry Potter's that palace that is a virtual reality. They asked us to get into that broomstick. Harry Potter anne. Real experience I had. The way that it's taking us, this is virtual reality. You don't feel the smell coming that way. It's about to, you are taking from the sky and dropping me. So this is really the virtual reality. Today, you don't want to spend your money to go to many places. Virtual, you can do anything. You can go. Sometimes, earlier we talk only pictures, some books, satellites. Today is different. So this is what you need to understand. Conversation, Facebook and things, you see the percentage, thanks to the Google, we are getting. Ladies and gentlemen, you know the steam engine came and subsequently, right now, which revolution in number now we are existing right now? I have put something. We have the 5th industrial revolution, you and me right now. That means we'll see the next slide or so to understand what is this one. I don't know whether you can understand. What do steam and science digital have in common? These 3 industrial revolutions that have shaped our modern society. Sometimes the manufacturer in China coming to here. I'm wearing the same thing. Maybe the cotton comes from UK, the button coming from Germany. I'm here. It's something I can't understand with this revolution of the industrial revolution. We'll see, if you say the 3-1, the fourth industrial revolution, little while we are passing almost. This is what today you and me facing right now. What is the cloud computing? You don't want to carry anything. You just cloud it. Even for me, most of the things, we just put a password and do it. But expenses of losing our personality. We are losing our privacy. You're asking, okay, Google, 15 GB free, 20 GB free. You download, upload. You and me are today, without knowingly, we feel because we have the password, but we are exposing our personality. So you and me, the way of talking, even if you go, if you know the Google, artificial intelligence give you what you see something. That is called the cookies coming. This is how they give networking, mobility, and IoT. If you eat something if you have visited KFC or the McDonald's or something restaurant, next time, or when you pay from your card, the next time, okay, gentlemen, the 20% is this weekend coming, come on. And if you bypass in that 20 minutes to that shop. The Sunday buffet is like this. This is how you are being stimulated to that way. That means artificial intelligence is carrying our way, changing ourselves. Besides, that's why this timely important subject of this being. Right now, we are at the 5th industrial revolution according to the digitalized people. That means we are going to lose our privacy. If you take negatively, yes, of course, negative. But we need to take it as the way you can't get away. This is how I feel. We need to live with this one. We need to be acclimatized to those conditions. Otherwise, we will not be able to run. In that way, this is how the end of the 18th century, the starting of the Industrial Revolution, we talk about the 4th digital, the tabs came, mobile phones came, this and right now. Now, co-working, you are working on this way. Personality is coming to yourself. This is the technology. You don't want to go any other place. You are right now at a lump place. You can work any other place, personally. You are being exposed. Your habits, your choices, your preference, know the others. This is how the systems are trying. In the facts of this one, I think some you need to be understand on the subject. These are artificially business and organization employ use of artificial intelligence. So ladies and gentlemen, as youngsters, you need to be identify this, what is artificial intelligence, how you can absorb to your career development and the betterment of your career. Because your parents were lucky, you are being given something, but as a citizen of the country, you need to be prosper your career. Your happiness, your growth reflect, spill over back to our country and to the society, not only the Sri Lankan, maybe regional and the global citizen, because we are not alone right now. The responsibility is the same, as I said, independent, professional, responsible media is reflection of democracy of a country. The media ethics, right, wrong, or ethics are this, you will be self-explanatory to understand. Code of ethics are being given. What are the moral values are there? These are something you need to understand, and the moral principles are what it is, and these ethics are being known. You don't want to, right now as the KDU students, you will be maybe looking after your counterpart or girls being respected when this is what, as a society is here, looking after that. These are something that is being identified in the principle of ethics, autonomy. You should not be influenced that way. They have even everybody have a liberty, individualism, and justice, equality, and generosity, and non-harming. You should not harm anybody. And faithfulness. As a group of people right now, undergraduate, you should be able to faithful to you, your society, your university, your learned lecturers here, and even to those who are technical staff, and likewise. As a students, you need to be very much to that. These are the things that you need to understand. These are some of the social media ethics. You can Google it, you can find out. Even these are in the very common one. And ladies and gentlemen, you need to know something that is being as a responsible citizen of the country. The Constitution safeguards you on what? Freedom of press, Sri Lanka guaranteed, Article 14 of the Constitution, as equal citizens. You need being given equal status to no subject. This is what you are being given. In that case, some of the laws that is being influenced to the responsible media to know that, Right to Information Act 2016, Establishment Code, when you go to and work in an organization, government, official secret tax, you are being given, but you can't, just because you are being given that one, you can go beyond the nation. The entire nation is something is important. The security is important. Therefore, sometimes check and balances are there for your behavior to be. That's what the secret tax are there. Press Council Act to check and balances, accountability to that. And these are something you need to understand. Ladies and gentlemen, by this reflection, the diversity of our, the nicest and most privileged in our island. We are very diverse in the nation, our culture, our everything is diverse. This is something unique to our country. This is our strength, I believed. This is how the shape of our country for many, many years. Even in the centuries ago, Yakshanaga Gotra, even to these three dimensions of our religions, four major religions, four major ethnicities, whatever this is. But as Sri Lankan humans, as the citizens, we are equally in everywhere. So therefore, more than that, ladies and gentlemen, I believe in the world, one of the best reflection of this thing in our flag, national flag. You should be proud that this reflection, if you really know, the Sri Lankan flag denotes what? More than anything, with a compassion, empathy. This is what you need to understand. What's even the symbols are given and denotes of what you to feel proud of being a citizen of this island. So gentlemen, reflection, when you have a little time, go and see what do you really mean by that. The yellow unity of the people, and four both trees, four leaves gives an ample of our values, expectation as a citizen of the country. So these are something you need to be new. You should be carry with this one, because y'all are, as I said, the HOD wants me to finish this within another 5 minutes or so. I would finish with this one. Having your background of the Sri Lankan as the Sri Lankan fellow citizen, you need to be par with to know the values of the United Nations, that is the international government organization. That is also one thing you need to understand. The core values: integrity, professional, respect for diversity. These are three core values that UNDP follows. The today's sponsor is followed to you. Okay, with this, ladies and gentlemen, I'm coming to the end of my presentation, rather talk. You have any questions? I'm happy to answer. If you have anything, please. I feel everybody happy. I've been influenced you, great extent. I believe humanly, not artificially. I have not, algorithms are not being working yet from Chandana Wickramasinghe or otherwise. You need to be very rational, because I feel I'm a duty bound when I'm being asked, because I have you all are the future carrier of Sri Lanka. And you all are the citizens, the global citizens, but having groomed with the core values, is important to be a respectable, valued person. So ladies and gentlemen, with this, I'm come to my end of my presentation. Thank you very much for patient hearing, and wish you all the very best to the faculty and the HOD and the Dean of Faculty, and wish you all the very best to ladies and gentlemen. Have a bright future to you. Yeah, okay.
So good afternoon, sir. Sometimes in media, there are some personal videos and sensitive information are circulated. Media often identify it as media freedom, but I think it's not ethical. What is your perspective?
I appreciate that you are feeling as a cadet. Yes. This is why I see the moral values. This is why you have been today teaching that one. To have you have the moral value, වගකීමෙන් වැඩ කරනවා නම්, වගකීමක් රටේ තියෙනවා නම්, වගකීම කියන එක තියෙන්නේ එතන තියෙන්නේ. ඒක තේරුම් ගැනීම බුද්ධි ගෝචර වෙන්න ඕනේ. You need to be understand with your knowledge. And if you really so, you can be as a responsible person, there is a person that you can report. Immediately they are taking out. Because revengefulness, lying are not being useful to society. Of course, if it is, there is a telephone number that you will be able to say. Because you need to understand, this is 22 million in this island. The people are thinking, they are being influenced by sometimes, not in the main course. Maybe few people are in any society. So these things, as a responsible citizens, as the media, the subject matter comes that if you feel anything can be detected. Those who upload, that's why I said nothing is impossible, nothing is being hid right now. Everything has some decoding. If you think how you say that, everything has you can just, with a fraction of time, they know who uploaded, pattern of life, location, everything is coding is there. That's why I said digitalized numbers are there. Therefore, it is one thing you should not be afraid to say something, but that is why I said the check and balances and accountabilities and things are important for that. That is individual one. Like this workshop and things, if they know it is detrimental to national security, it is harmful to their society, it's harmful to individual, they will never follow. Have you ever saw anybody, responsible citizen is doing so? Educated person? Maybe, there may be says, you need to link this one to Maslow's hierarchical theory. His profession, his living may be doubt to his survival. Maybe otherwise they will never do something that if you are being, because we Sri Lankans are much lucky and blessed. Why? We are being groomed to a great extent with the freedom of free education, free health. Based on that, nation will develop since 1948. We have a good, solid administrative services there, foreign service there. More than that, patriotic national security forces are there to protect us country with other stakeholders. Even the civil society, they are doing their best as a society. Therefore, we need to be self-change. This is important for us to understand as a patriotic, responsible, transparently looked after and governed by individually, respecting the laws of the country. I don't think if these things are violated, he is not just patriotic or a patriotic to own country to a global believer. Okay? I believe I answered your question.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for patient hearing. Thank you very much. I believed I did. I personally, I don't know whether it's up to you to understand whether I did or not. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant evening. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Bimran.